गुड इवनिंग चिल्ड्रन। उम्मीद है आप मेरे सारे वीडियो को देख रहे होंगे और उससे रिलेटेड एक्सरसाइज भी कंप्लीट कर रहे होंगे। जो भी तुम्हारा प्रॉब्लम है वो भी तुम मुझसे पूछकर क्लियर कर सकते हो। जो भी समस्याएं आती हैं उसको तुम पूछ करके व्हाट्सएप पर क्लियर कर सकते हो। और आज ट्रिगोनोमेट्री एक्सप्लेन करने जा रहे हैं। Today I am going to explain trigonometry, which particularly for class 9 and 10 standard students trigonometry is given. खास करके मैं 10th क्लास के बच्चों को बोलना चाहूंगी, जो भी चैप्टर और जो भी एक्सरसाइज मैं बताती हूँ, जिसका भी कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाता है, जिस एक्सरसाइज का कॉन्सेप्ट क्लियर हो जाता है, उससे रिलेटेड बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के क्वेश्चन को जरूर करो। 10 ईयर के बोर्ड एग्जामिनेशन के क्वेश्चन को करना कभी मत भूलना। उससे तुम्हारी प्रैक्टिस होती है और तुम खुद को जज कर पाते हो कि किस हद तक तुम बना पा रहे हो और किस हद तक नहीं बना पा रहे हो। नाउ आई एम गोइंग टू स्टार्ट trigonometry. The word trigonometry is derived from the Greek words. There are 3 words from Greek word trigonometron. In trigonometry, trigonometron are taken from Greek words, and tri means 3, gonia means angle, and metron means measurement. That means measurement of 3 angles. It means about a triangle. There are 3 parts of triangle: vertices, sides, and angles. So it is the branch of mathematics which leads the properties of triangle, trigonometric functions, and their different applications. Understood? Trigonometry is the branch of mathematics which leads the properties of triangle, trigonometric function, and different type of applications. Trigonometry is applicable on right angle triangle. It is applicable on right angle triangle. If is not in any application not given right angle triangle, then we will turn about it and make it to any way right angle and then proceed with trigonometrical steps. Now I am going to explain basic thing which is required for trigonometry. Basic things are: in any right angle triangle, perpendicular, base, hypotenuse. Hypotenuse. In this right angle triangle, angle B is right angle, and opposite of this angle is hypotenuse. That means AC is hypotenuse. Opposite of right angle in any right angle triangle is hypotenuse. This is called hypotenuse. That means longest side in a right angle triangle is hypotenuse. Okay. Now the side BC, about BC, it is adjacent side of angle C, acute angle C. Adjacent side BC is base. It is a base, and second acute angle is A. Now the opposite of angle C, opposite of angle C, side AB is perpendicular of this triangle. In this way, we get perpendicular, hypotenuse, and base in right angle triangle. For perpendicular, generally we use the shortcut P. Hypotenuse, it is H, and base small b. Now the basic thing, जिस तरह से हिंदी में तुम्हारे बेसिक थिंग क ख ग घ होंगे, इंग्लिश में ABCD होंगे, उस तरह से ट्रिगोनोमेट्री में बेसिक थिंग 6 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज हैं। 6 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल रेशियोज. देयर आर 6 ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल ratios. There are 6 trigonometrical ratios. First, जनरली ट्रिगोनोमेट्रिकल रेशियो किसी भी राइट एंगल ट्रायंगल में हम लोग बेस एंगल से निकालते हैं। ये कोई जरूरी नहीं है कि बेस एंगल सी ही हो। जब इस ट्रायंगल को हम कैंसिल कर देते हैं तो उस स्थिति में एंगल ए बेस हो जाएगा। इस तरह से ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिकल रेशियो विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू सी और ए किसी भी तरह से तुम निकाल सकते हो। इन दोनों एक्यूट एंगल से हम निकाल सकते हैं। देयर आई एम गोइंग टू एक्सप्लेन विथ द बेस एंगल सी। Sine of first trigonometrical ratio is sine of angle C is equal sine of angle C we will write in shortcut sine C. Sine C is equal sine C is equal perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. Perpendicular by hypotenuse. It is AB by AC. AB by AC. Sine of angle C generally written sine C is equal P by H is equal AB by AC. Second number is cosine. Second trigonometrical ratio is cosine. Cosine of angle A. Cosine of angle C. Second, cosine of angle C. It is cos C. Cos C is equal B by H. Base by hypotenuse. Now what is base? Base is BC. BC by AC. BC by AC. Third trigonometrical ratio is tangent. Third is tangent of angle A. Tangent of angle C. Angle C. Then that can be written tan C. Tan C is equal P by B. Perpendicular by base. Perpendicular by base is equal perpendicular AB by BC. AB by BC. And fourth number is secant. Secant of angle A. Secant of angle A. Secant of angle A, not C. Angle C. Then that can be written sec C. Sec C is equal hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. It is hypotenuse by base. It is AC by BC. Hypotenuse by base. AC by BC. AC by BC. Now there notice that cosine of angle C, cos C is base by hypotenuse, and secant of angle C, sec C is hypotenuse by base. Hypotenuse by base. That means cos and sec both are reciprocal of each other. Both are reciprocal of each other. In the same way, fifth number is cosecant. Cosecant of angle C. That can be written cosec C. It is reverse of reciprocal of sine. That means H by P. Hypotenuse by perpendicular. It is AC by AB. AC by AB. Sixth number is reciprocal of tan C is cotangent. Cotangent of angle C. Cotangent of angle C is equal, can written cot C is reciprocal of tan C. It means B by P. B by P, that can be written BC by AB. BC by AB, cotangent. In this way, this 6 trigonometrical ratio everywhere required in applications. These all are basic thing, is not formula. These all are ratios, different trigonometrical ratios. First number is reciprocal relation. First, in part A, reciprocal relation. Reciprocal relation. First number is, first your formula is sine A and cosec A. Both are reciprocal of each other. So first number formula we can write sine A is equal 1 by cosec A. Cosec A. It is sine A into cosec A is equal 1. This first number, identity, formula, anything you can see. It is reciprocal relation. First number. Second number is your cos A and sec A, both are reciprocal of each other. Cos A is equal 1 by sec A. Cos A is equal 1 by sec A. That can be written cos A into sec A is equal 1. Second number identity. Second number formula. And third number is tan and cot. Both are reciprocal of each other. So tan A is equal 1 by cot A. 1 by cot A implies we can write tan A into cot A is equal 1. This third number of formula. Now next, quotient relation. Quotient relation is third number. And second part, B. It is second part, quotient relation. Quotient relation. Fourth number for sine theta, sine A by cos A is equal tan A. Is equal tan A. Sine A by cos A is equal tan A. And fifth number formula is cos A by sine A is equal cot A. Is equal cot A. You can prove both for all formula by putting the value of sine A, cos A, and then after cutting up and down can get tan A. Cos A by sine A is equal cot A. Relation. Sixth number formula is sin square A plus cos square A is equal 1. If we put value sin A is equal P by H and cos A is equal B by H, and after adding we will get 1. Sixth number is sin square A plus cos square A is equal 1. In this way sub formulas, seventh number can get sin square A is equal 1 minus cos square A. 1 minus cos square A, and again you can write sin A is equal root under 1 minus cos square A. Like this, any one you can use. 9 number is cos square is A is equal 1 minus sin square A. And 10 number cos A is equal sin square A. This 10 number. formula. Next, 11 number formula. 11 number is 1 plus tan square a. 1 plus tan square a is equal sec square a. Sec square a. And 12 number is can be written this formula sec square a minus tan square a is equal 1. Now 13 number is 1 plus cot square a is equal cosec square a. Cosec square a. Cosec square a minus cot square a is equal 1. In this way 14 formula you have to remember. तुम्हें याद करना है सारा फॉर्मूला और उसके बाद नेक्स्ट वीडियो में मैं कुछ एप्लीकेशन दूंगी, कुछ क्वेश्चंस दूंगी. आई होप यू अंडरस्टूड ऑल.